These bumphead parrotfish, over a metre long, are among the largest of the reef's permanent inhabitants. Adult females release their tiny eggs into the water for the males to fertilise. But many other creatures are waiting for that to happen with arms and tentacles outstretched. If the next generation of bumpheads is to survive, the adults must get away from the reef and out into the open ocean. Bumpheads come from all the nearby reefs and assemble together in a super school 1,000 strong. Now the males develop white faces and striped flanks. Their breeding costume. The mating rush begins, and soon each female is surrounded by males. As she releases her eggs, so the males eject their milt. It seems an excellent strategy, but it does have a flaw. Huge schools of fish inevitably attract predators. This solitary bull shark, however, is too late. The spawning rush has ended. These little striped fish are convict tangs. They have attracted grey reef sharks. With hungry sharks above them and predators of all kinds lurking in the coral, the tangs are trapped. But these convicts have an escape plan. The first to spawn attracts the attention of the sharks. The moment the sharks attack one spawning party, another takes its chance. The more tangs that join in, the greater the confusion. In the dazzle of flashing stripes and swirling clouds of spawn, the sharks find it difficult to select individual victims. The spawning tactic has worked. The sharks go hungry, and billions of tiny fertilized eggs drift away from the reef.